Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add card in Apple Wallet if it's not working. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and now you want to add card to your Apple Wallet but your Apple Wallet is not working, so let's see how can you easily add your card into your iPhone or your Apple Wallet. So you just have to open your settings and the very first you have to double check your network connection that you're connected to a strongest network connection. After doing that, you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for VPN device management and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you just have to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. So if there will be any issue with your network settings, so it will be fixed in this step, and after that you can easily add card into your Apple Wallet's open settings, go for wallet section from here and then select add card, and after that you'll be able to add card into your Apple Wallet. Or if this is still not working, so you can easily add your payment method using your app store or your Apple ID. So in my case I'm going to use an app store. Select app store and then select your Apple ID in the top right corner, select your account, and from here you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, then select country or region, and here you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living. So once you have selected find, you just have to select that, and once you have selected you just have to select the continue option, then select agree in the top right corner. Now you have to enter your payment method or add your card here, and once you have added your card you have to also add these informations about you, and once you have done you just have to tap the done option in the top right corner, and after that your card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet or your payment method will be successfully added to your iPhone. And after that you can simply go to your wallet app and then select add option, and your Apple payment method will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.